Welcome to Netpresenter's Color Themes tutorial video. This video will help you to get the most out of your templates using our Color Themes feature. Color Themes enable you to change the colors within your template, for example the color of the title background or footer. First, you need to create a color theme. Click on Settings and then go to Color Themes. Here you can create an entirely new color theme or import a color theme that is specifically designed according to your brand guidelines. If you have received a pre-configured color theme, you can easily import this to your message server. Click the New Color Theme button, then select Import. You can now select the zip file and upload it to the message server. Your imported color theme is visible and ready to use. To set a color theme as default for all your templates and messages, select the theme by clicking on the checkbox. After that, click on the Set Default button. A green checkmark will appear next to the selected color theme. This color theme will now be applied to all your supported templates and is selected by default when you create a new message. If you want to create a new color theme from scratch, click on the New Color Theme button, select Create New. You are now in the color theme editor. Start by filling in a name for your new color theme. You can select colors by using the color picker, by filling in RGB values, or by using a specific hex code. Be creative. In the template drop-down menu below, you can switch templates to see what your color theme will look like in a different template or layout. If you are satisfied with the result, click on the Save button. Your color theme is now ready to be used. Go back to your message overview. Start by creating a new message by clicking on the New Message button. Fill in your title, body text, and add an image or video. Below the live preview, you can see the color theme menu. By clicking on this menu, a drop-down list with all your color themes appears. Select your newly created theme or choose a predefined theme from the list. By clicking on Customize Colors, you can adjust the colors within the specific message. These changes will not be visible in your other messages. Again, select the colors by using the color picker, by filling in RGB values or using a hex code. If you are happy with the result, click on the Save button to save these selected colors. You can now select this customized color theme from the drop-down list. If you wish to adjust the colors of your newly created theme a bit more, you can click on the pencil icon. Finally, you can also upload a custom logo to your templates. This can be done per individual template or for all the available templates in your message server. To set a default logo for all your messages and templates, go back to Settings. Again, choose Settings from the menu. In the configuration settings, you can now upload a custom logo in the default template logo section. Upload your logo as a .png file. This logo will then automatically appear on all supported templates. Click the Save button below to save your changes. To set a custom logo per template, now click on Templates. Select the template for which you want to adjust the logo. As you can see, you can choose the default logo or upload a custom logo for this specific template. You can also choose to not add a logo by selecting No Logo. That's it. From now on, you can be a Leonardo da Vinci yourself. In need of some assistance? Please contact us. We're happy to help.